So here is an opportunity to test out 1/200th of a second on a wide lens. I have got this street which is not so well lit, but okay type. So let us take it along with the most light part that is ahead of us, and let's see how the outcomes comes out. So here we can see this this light is pretty less, but I can guarantee you at 1/200th of a second the dancing light problem is totally gone. There's an interesting shop which is going to come ahead. Yeah, that's the one. Read about it in the description. There isn't too much light in these shops, but yes, this is something that you would get to see. I think the shops have closed beyond this, so I need to turn back. I'm going on the same street, 1/100th of a second. Shutter speed changed, wide angle lens. Let's see the results now. What I have seen over a period of time is that there is a slight problem with the stability, and the dancing light effect comes, but however it is manageable. I mean, it is almost so negligible that you might even miss it. But yes, it is there. It is there in a very small kind of very teeny weeny thing. Let me cross this person. Yeah, he's trying to park. So here is one shop, some amount of lights. So if you feel that the light isn't sufficient, even in 1/100th of a second, you can do that in post-processing. But between 1/100th of a second and 1/200th of a second, I think these two settings should be sufficient for you to, have a good night video on a GoPro. So these are the street scenes of Prayagraj. Typical Prayagraj, temples and a lot of good food. This place where we are shooting is called Gau Ghat. Gau means cow, and Ghat is a river bank which may or may not have a series of steps. And here are a couple of shops with some bright lights. And since it is 1/100th of a second, you might see some amount of light shake. And that's the end of our clip.